Okay, we'll let the sound come up. Let everything settle down. Okay, so, all right, I just did a video on things that I was doing wrong and how I was going to get better. And then I shot a video and messed everything up. So this is my second try at this. I switched cutting mats. I got a glass cutting mat because everybody online said they were so great. I can't figure out how to keep them still. When I'm cutting, I can't seem to hold them steady. So I'm back to my old self-healing cutting surface. So what I wanted to show you was, I just did the eco printing, and I noticed one of the roses that came off one of them was really nice, really flat and pretty. So I put it in a piece of the sleeve that I just got a scanner and part of it came in this. So I just put it down in the corner and cut a square of it. I don't know if this will work or not, but I'm going to try it. And so I took a 3x5, and what I did is it looked like about a 2.5 inch square. So I'm going to cut a 2.5 inch window in two of these 3x5s with an X-Acto knife and sandwich it in the middle and try to create a sort of a little, like a flower display card of some sort. And I know you guys make slides. People make slides a lot. I haven't done that, but I know this is similar to that. And so I think it's just a bit larger, and then it'll have room to do some design work down at the bottom. So I'm going to stop the video, cut the window out, and then come back. All right, so I'm going to flip that over. Okay, see that side, you can see where it doesn't quite line up. So obviously this will be the front. So I'm going to put this in here. Have to trim down the plastic. I think I need to move the flower down away from the edges so I have some glue space. Okay. Okay, so it'll end up something like that. And when I get it done and finish the design part of it, I will come back and show that to you. Like I said, I'm not a professional, and so I shot a video, I thought. In fact, I did not shoot it. And so here we are. Here's where I am. So what I did, I'll just go back over what I did. I took the white 3x5. I used the Koi watercolors. And you can see the color I mixed. This has a tray for mixing colors. I took this one, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of that brown, and mixed up a shade because I would have tea stained this, but I didn't, of course, plan ahead. So I just used the yellowish watercolor and painted both sides. And then I took the tea stain distress ink, which I'm looking for. That's why I'm stopping, because I took the tea stain distress ink, Tim Holtz, and I didn't want it to be completely yellow, so I used that to color, here it is, tea dye. and used the dauber and just kind of touched around a little bit just to make it a little bit difference in colors. You can see the kind of pinky. To me, this almost looks like face makeup, like foundation. So I just kind of hit it with that a little bit, and then I took the Vintage Photo Distress ink and this is my makeup sponge from the dollar store, and just hit the edges of it. I pretty much ink everything with that. I just like the effect of it. It feels like it's finished after I use that. And so I was saying that I use those sponges from the dollar store. You can see I got these kind that are super cheap. And I was using them. And then I watched Tim Holtz demonstrate this thing. And he's got the dauber. And a set of these sponges come with it, like for like 20 of them. And they store in these little mini ink things. And I'm like, okay, I have to have that. So he sucked me in on those. So anyway, stores under there. I also wanted to mention again that when you put these away, be sure you store them upside down. And so I did that inking. So then I have these very inexpensive stamps from Hobby Lobby. And I used those and a black ink pad, and I just stamped the Latin name for Wild Rose on it. And as you can see, I like that it's not perfect, that you get the little corners and everything. So that's that. That's how it looks finished. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a template of this and put it in my store. And maybe design some more for other flowers, because I think that's cute. It'd be a nice tuck-in. So I hope you like that. And I hope you come back and watch some more videos with me. Please click the like button if you did enjoy it. And I'd love it if you'd click the subscribe button. See you next time.